Very good morning, student. Today we will start science. In science, lesson 9, that is nervous system. As I have already explained you the whole chapter, but students, if you have any queries on any of the topic, you are free to ask me. So today we will do the exercises. Exercises include tick the correct option, filling the blanks, name the following and answer the following question. Answer the following questions we will do in the next class. Rest of the exercises we will do in today's class. After discussing the exercises in your today's video, you have to write all the exercises in your classwork copy and submit it in the class group. Students, the keywords given at the end of the chapter, if you have not written in your copies, just write it down and show it to me in the class group. So let's start the exercises. So student, from today's class we will start science. We are on chapter 9, that is nervous system. As I have already explained you the whole chapter to you. So today we will do the exercise of this chapter. I hope you all have written these keywords in your copies. If you have not written, just write it down in your copies, the keywords given over here. This much. Nervous system to motor nerves. Now today we will do the exercise of this chapter. But if you have any queries, you are free to ask me. Exercises are given on the page number 84. Now first exercise is tick the correct answer. First question is, which of the following organ system help us to learn and think? Now, digestive system, skeletal system, muscular system or nervous system. As you all know, digestive system is related to digestion of the food, whatever we eat. Skeletal systems it includes our bones and all bones which provide support to our body. Muscular system is related with the muscles which help in the proper functioning of the body. Now nervous system. Nervous system include what? Brain, spinal cord and nerves. And nervous system is the system which help us to learn and think because it is the function of the brain. So we will mark nervous system over here. Now second is, which of the following organs help us to taste? Eyes, ears, nose and tongue. This one is very easy and you all know the answer, that is tongue. Okay. Which of the following is the largest part of the human brain? There are three parts found in the human brain, that is cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. And the largest part of the brain through which we learn, think and recall the things are cerebrum. So it is B1. Now, optic nerves carries messages from the which part? Eyes, ears, nose and skin. No. It is eyes. So first option is eyes. Which part of the brain helps in maintaining the balance of our body? Cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla or spinal cord. So it is cerebellum. So student, in this way we have done the exercise A, that is tick the correct answer. Now we will move to the B, that is filling the blanks with the correct word. Here the clue box is given over here. You have to take the help of this clue box and fill these blanks. The first is, dash is the control center of our body. What is the control center? What controls our body, whole body? The control center is the brain. So we will write over here brain. Okay, then medulla controls dash actions like breathing and digestion. Okay, medulla controls what action? What sort of actions controlled by the medulla? Breathing and digestion. And these are called involuntary actions because these are just function automatically. So medulla control involuntary actions. So we will write over here involuntary actions which work on their own. No need to take our permission. Now reflex actions are controlled by the dash. What control the reflex action? As you all know that all the body functions are controlled by the brain, but reflex actions are the only actions which are controlled by the spinal cord. These actions are sudden and automatic, and it is controlled by the spinal cord. Now, the ear has dash part. The ear has three parts. The ear has three parts: outer, middle and inner. Now, the surface of the tongue has many what? The surface of the tongue has many taste buds. Taste buds are the buds through which we taste different tastes like bitter, salty, spicy. All these tastes are taste on the taste buds. So we will write over here taste buds. Okay. Now name the following. That is the exercise C, that is name the following. The part of nervous system which acts like telephone wire. Which part of the nervous system acts like telephone wire? And that is nerve. There are three parts of the nervous system, student. The first part is brain, then spinal cord and then nerves. So the nerves are the part of the nervous system which act as a telephone wires. Now, second, the part of the brain which helps in thinking, learning and reasoning are called what? The part of the brain which helps in thinking, learning and reasoning are called cerebrum. That is the first part of the brain and the largest part of the brain. One example of reflex action. One example of reflex action, you can write anyone. I am writing over here blinking of eyes. Okay. Blinking of eyes. Whenever anything comes in front of our eyes, what happens? Our eyes starts blinking. So blinking of eyes. Now then the colored part of the eye. What we call the colored part of the eye? You have already studied while you were studying the eyes portion and drawing the diagram of the eye. That is iris. Okay. Now the organ which help us to breathe and smell. Which organ help us to breathe and smell? That is nose. So student, in this way we have completed all the exercises of this chapter, and in the next class we will do question answers of this chapter. Okay. If you have any queries, any problem, you are free to ask me. Thank you, class.